Welcome, and the main idea of this video is to address and show one easy way to delineate a watershed using DEM. So how to delineate this watershed? You'll basically need two things, that is Qgis and a digital elevation model. First of all, you have to go to this website called Open Topography. You can search on Google. It's a really easy website to find, so just type SRTM, go to this Open Topography, and now you have to select the region that you need. So in my case, I'll select a basin here on the Amazon forest. So I'm gonna select a region, for example this one, and then it's going to show you the approximately area, and you can just type your email over here, submit. Then you have requested this. After a few seconds, it will be available for you to download. If you have to sit this is the format that you have to employ. Alright, after this you can download this data. After downloading the data, just drop on Qgis. In my case, this is the data. To have this layer in your project, you go to Quick Map Services, and in my case I'm using Google Satellite. If you don't have this, just go to Plugins, manage install plugins, and here install Quick Map Services. Another plugin that we'll be using during this process, it will be the grass plugin, so just select this and it's alright. First thing you have to do, it's basically to select r dot. Here in the processing toolbox you're going to type r.watershed. That's it, and we'll be selecting this output that you download on that site. Here you have to put the minimum size of exterior watershed basin. In this case I recommend 1000 or 5000, I don't know. And over here you can just select the drainage direction and stream segments. The other selected boxes will not need it. Then run. Okay, now I have this. Okay, so now we will have two layers, the stream segments, that is this colorful one, and the drainage direction. Well, we will not need anymore this output that we had loaded, so you can remove if you want. Okay, just remove it. Okay, now we can have this drainage and the segment. The segment is basically to see where you wanna select the drainage area. So in my case, I'll be choosing this one. Let me select a bigger one here, this one. So another tool that you need to use is the r.water.outlet. Here you'll be selecting the drainage direction, and the coordinate we can choose on the map. I'm gonna put this one. Okay, and that's it. The other parameters you don't have to change, so let's run. That's it. Now we have already our drainage area. Let's see if it makes sense. Okay, yeah, this is a basin. So if you want to vectorize this, that in the most of cases I think you want to vectorize, is just type over here vector. There are some tools that you can use. In this case we're gonna use r.vector. There's another tool that is, I think is raster to vector. It's this polygonize. You can use this also, but let's use this one. I'll be selecting this basin area, and that's smooth corners of our features. No, it's not needed now. If you need after this, you can smooth it. Here we have the area now, vectorize it. Alright, let's take this off. We don't need it anymore. If you want this vectorized too, you can use the same tool. Let's put stream segments. Here it's line, of course, and that's it. Let's run. Okay. Okay. Now it's not needed here. Alright, if you want to let just the insider, you can cut like clipping. Sorry, it's clip, vectorize it, and vectorize. Okay, and that's it. Now we have one just inside over here. Another thing that you can do, it's going to smooth and let this area smoother. So these parameters you have to check if you want to change these iterations, offset, maximum, auto. I will not change any of them, and that's it. Now you can see that the corners are smoother, and we have this watershed. Let apply, and that's it.